Alright guys, let's dive straight into the unboxing of this HONOR X9C 5G. This is always an exciting moment, especially when it's a device as anticipated as this one. There's always a certain thrill when you get your hands on a brand new piece of tech. The excitement is palpable and you can almost feel the rush of adrenaline as you peel back the layers of packaging. The anticipation, the curiosity, it's all part of the fun. It's like opening a present, not knowing exactly what to expect but hoping for the best. So let's cut to the chase and see what HONOR has in store for us with this device. The unboxing experience itself can tell you a lot about the brand's attention to detail and commitment to quality. The box itself has a clean and minimalist design, very typical of HONOR's style. It's simple yet elegant, giving you a sense of sophistication right from the start. As we lift the lid, the first thing we're greeted with is the phone itself, neatly nestled in its protective sleeve. It's always reassuring to see a device so well protected, and right off the bat, the HONOR X9C 5G feels really good in the hand. The first touch is crucial, and this phone does not disappoint. It's got a solid build, a nice weight to it, and it feels premium without being overly flashy. The materials used are top-notch, and you can tell that HONOR has put a lot of thought into the design and build quality of this device. Now let's see what else we've got inside the box. Underneath the phone, we've got the usual suspects: a USB-C charging cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some quick start guides. And here's a pleasant surprise. HONOR has included a clear silicone case in the box. This is always a welcome addition, especially for those who like to keep their phones protected from day one. It's good to see HONOR providing the essentials right out of the box, saving users the hassle of having to purchase these separately. The inclusion of the case, in particular, shows attention to detail and a customer-centric approach. It's the little things that count, right? Moving on to the design and build quality of the HONOR X9C 5G, and I have to say, HONOR has done a pretty impressive job here. The phone has a sleek and modern aesthetic with a large display that dominates the front. The bezels are minimal, giving it a very immersive look and feel. The back panel has a subtle gradient finish that catches the light beautifully. It's not too in your face, which I appreciate. The camera module is located in the top left corner, housed in a rectangular island that protrudes slightly from the back. Overall, the HONOR X9C 5G boasts a premium look and feel without breaking the bank. Section 4. A deep dive into the HONOR X9C 5G's camera setup. Let's talk cameras, which is arguably one of the most important aspects of any smartphone these days. The HONOR X9C 5G packs a triple camera setup on the rear, headlined by a whopping 108 megapixel main sensor. This is a high-resolution sensor that promises exceptional detail and clarity in your photos. And here's the kicker: the main camera also comes equipped with Optical Image Stabilization, or OIS for short. This is a game-changer, especially for low-light photography and video recording, as it helps to reduce blur and produce sharper, more stable shots. Section 5. 108 megapixel main camera showcase, putting image quality to the test. Alright, let's put this 108 megapixel camera to the test and see what it's capable of. This camera promises to deliver exceptional image quality, and we're here to find out if it lives up to the hype. I've taken a few sample shots in various lighting conditions to give you an idea of the camera's performance. From bright sunny days to dimly lit rooms, we've covered a wide range of scenarios to see how well this camera adapts. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with the results. The clarity and detail in the photos are quite remarkable, making it a strong contender in the smartphone camera market. In good lighting, the 108 megapixel sensor truly shines. The photos are crisp and clear, capturing even the smallest details with precision. The level of detail captured is remarkable, allowing you to zoom in on your photos without losing much sharpness. This is particularly useful for those who love to capture intricate details or need to crop their images. Colors are vibrant and accurate, and the dynamic range is also quite good. The camera manages to balance highlights and shadows effectively, resulting in well-exposed images. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the HONOR X9C 5G's camera holds its own. It manages to capture clear and detailed photos, even when the lighting isn't ideal, making it a versatile option for all your photography needs. Section 6. Ultra-wide adventures expanding photographic horizons. Now let's not forget about the 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens. This is a great addition to have, as it allows you to capture a wider field of view, perfect for landscapes, group shots, and architectural photography. The ultra-wide lens on the HONOR X9C 5G performs admirably, delivering decent image quality with minimal distortion. It's not going to blow you away with detail, but it gets the job done and provides that extra versatility when you need it. Having an ultra-wide lens opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities, allowing you to capture scenes in a way that wouldn't be possible with just the main lens. Section 7, HONOR X9C 5G Camera Review, Final Verdict. So, there you have it guys, the HONOR X9C 5G's camera performance in a nutshell. We've taken a deep dive into its capabilities, and it's clear that this device is designed with photography enthusiasts in mind. Overall, I'm really impressed with what HONOR has managed to achieve here. The camera system is robust, versatile, and user-friendly, making it a great choice for both casual and serious photographers. The 108-megapixel main camera with OIS is the star of the show, delivering exceptional image quality and versatility. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, this camera does it all with ease. The ultra-wide lens is a welcome addition, providing that extra perspective when you need it. It's perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or fitting more into your frame when space is limited. While it's not perfect, the ultra-wide lens could benefit from a higher resolution. It's a solid camera setup that punches well above its weight class. The macro and depth sensors also add to the versatility, allowing for creative shots. For the price, the HONOR X9C 5G offers a compelling camera experience that will certainly appeal to photography enthusiasts. It's a well-rounded package that delivers on multiple fronts, making it a strong contender in its segment.